Hey everyone, welcome back to the S3 series. In the last video, we understood buckets and object at a high level. In this video, we will actually do hands-on, like upload file, download them, and manage object using both console and CLI. Before jumping into demo, let's quickly understand one important concept called object. So what is an object? Any file you store in S3, image, PDF, video, JSON, zip, anything you store is called object. Every object has three parts: data, key, metadata. So what is data? It is the actually file content. It's called data. So then key is the unique name with the path. Example, photos/user1.jpg. Next we have a metadata. Metadata is information about the file, which is called size, type, custom tags are the metadata. Object key, important to understand. So I have given the example photos/profile/user1.jpg. Look like a folder path, but S3 has no real folder. Photos profile is just a part of the key name. Next we have a bucket, my app. I have given the example. Then key is photos/profile/user1.jpg. This is the whole key included with the folder. Next we have a URL. URL include with https://:/. Then we have a bucket name, then S3, then app south1, Amazon AWS.com, then photos/profile/user1.jpg. It is the key of our object. Next we have a storage classes. You can set while you upload the object into the S3. I have given some example, like one is S3 standard. If you uploading the object and not selecting any type, then it goes with the default as S3 standard for the frequently accessed file. Next we have a S3 standard IA. If you are looking for the cheaper option and you don't want to access that object frequently, so you can go with the S3 standard IA. Next we have a S3 Glacier. It is for the archival, very cheap and slow retrieval. Next we have S3 intelligent tier, auto moves based on access pattern. So this is about the storage classes. Okay, let's go to the AWS console. So on the second tab, I have already logged into my AWS console, and in the previous video I've created the bucket with the name of PythonDevOps and the account ID. You can check here as well. This is my account ID. So let's open the bucket. So it has no folder. I have deleted all the data. Let's create a folder. So first give some folder name. I'm giving the test. Let's assume we have a test environment and we have to upload all the data into the test folder or the artifact as well. You can upload it here. Let's click on the create folder. So it's created. You can check successfully created folder test. So it shows as well it's a folder test. So let's open it. Now it do not have any object. Let's upload one. I have created a file already, mytext.txt, and it has the pseudo content. So let's upload this file. So click on upload, add file, my text. It has the same content. Let's click on open, and our file is here, mytext.txt, and it shows text/plain. It is a type, and this is the size of the file. Let's click on upload, and everything leave as default. It shows upload succeeded and one file. Click on close. You can check one file we have into our test folder. Okay, next let's create another file. Let's create the HTML file first, this time index.html. I'm using the meta abbreviation. So hit enter, add some content h1. This is for our S3 bucket. Just save it. Let's upload this one as well. Open your bucket, click on upload, add file. You can drag as well. I'm selecting the file index.html. It shows our data. Click on open. So click on upload. It shows uploaded successfully. Click on the close button. Okay, our HTML is uploaded. Now open the index.html. You can check here S3 URI, ARN, entity tag, object URL. As I've shown in the theory part, it starts from https:// and then our S3 bucket name, then S3, then our region, then Amazon AWS.com, then text slash basically the index.html. So it is our object key. You can check keys here. It shows the type as well. If you scroll down, you can check object management management overview. There is no replication rule I have created, so it shows blank. Also disable the versioning, so it is also shows disabled. And storage class is standard. Server side encryption is disabled. Data has some checksum, so that's why it has the checksum function, checksum type, and the checksum value as well. And no tags here, so let's add some tag. We are creating for the environment test, so keep it env and test. Okay, click on the save changes. So I have clicked it. Let's close it, and you can check that env test. So tag is added. Then we have a metadata. Type is system defined, key is content type, and value is textless html, and object lock is disabled. So this is about the object. You go on the into the permission section. So it is the object owner, your AWS account. It has the read write permission. Accept everyone, no any permission like read, write, or delete permission. So it do not have like everyone or the authentication user group. If you go to the versioning, as I already shown you, the versioning is not enabled, so it shows like this way. If you click on the URL, which I have recently clicked by mistake, so it shows access denied. Your bucket is basically the private, so that's why you cannot access via the URL. If you make it public, then you can access via the URL. So this is all about the bucket. If you object, and if you click on the download, you can download the file index.html. It's downloaded, it's open like this way. And okay, if you click on the open, then it will serve as a web URL. So you can see that's how you can basically deploy your web page. I will show you in detail in the upcoming video. Let's close it. Okay, this is all about the object via console. How can you upload? Let's go to the CLI part. So for that we need three things. Let me open my notepad. This is my notepad. Type a note. We need three things. First we need the AWS CLI, then we need AWS secret key and access key. AWS, okay, it's auto correcting actually. AWS credentials. And what we more need, we need some commands. So these two mainly we required. So first let's install the AWS CLI. Okay, I'm using the macOS. So for my macOS we have to install it. AWS CLI for macOS. Let's open. This is the Amazon documentation, official documentation. Let's open it. If you scroll down, there's a Linux, macOS, and Windows. You can install for the whatever OS you have. I have macOS, so click open it and then run this command. Okay, I'm command line using for all user. Copy this and open this terminal. Paste it here. First we can check AWS -- version. Currently we do not have the AWS CLI. Let's install one. Paste it here. Okay, it's asking for the password 1234. I have entered the password. Installer is running. Let's copy the another command. Paste it here. It's installing the pkg file. Then run the installer or pkg file. Paste it here, and it installed. It will take some time. Wait. Okay, it's done. AWS -- version. You can run the command. Took some time. Wait for few seconds. Okay, as you can see, our AWS CLI is installed with the version 2.314, and Python is 3.14. So that's how you can install your AWS CLI. I have run the clear command. Let's go to the console. Search for IAM. Open the IAM. Now we have to create a user which has the S3 permission. Currently I don't have any user. You can see it's 0 user. In the upcoming video we will discuss in detail that what is IAM, user, everything. But currently we are just creating a user. I'm not going to explain that much, but yeah, surely in the upcoming video. Okay, click on the create group, not create group. Click on the users. Okay, let's create our first user. So click on the create user. Give some name, demo S3 user, and you can provide the user access to AWS management console. It's optional, but I'm keeping for the AWS console. Give some password. Click on next. Click on never attach policy. You have to give the S3 policy. So here you can check Amazon AWS S3 full access. Click on next, then create the user. Okay, you can log in the user as I give the AWS console access. Let's open into the incognito. Control V. Then copy the username. Asking for the username. Then copy the password. Hope it's copied. Not, then I will type it. Click on sign in. You can see it's asking for the reset the password. Control V. Okay, I have entered the new password. Says I have entered the old password. So yeah, our credential has changed or updated. So click on the continue sign in. Okay, you are able to log in. If you open the EC2, so it do not have the permission of EC2, so you cannot check the EC2 or anything else because I did not provide the permission. Just got this one. Now search for the S3, but we are in the different region, so we also not able to see our S3 bucket. It is for goes for the global. Here you can check the all AWS region, but you have to change the region, then open the bucket and check this is our bucket. Let's minimize it. We are not gonna do anything in the console, so just return to user list, continue, click on it, then click on the security credential. You can check 0 access key or the secret key. Let's create one. Click on the create access key, run this, choose the first option CLI, and then check mark here, and then click on next. Give the description for S3, and then create access key and the secret key. Okay, it's created. Let's download it into the CSV and open the CSV. So here our secret key access key is created. Now open the AWS console, command line, macOS command line, and then the command AWS configure. Yeah, I have already keys, but let's leave as it is and update with the new one. It is for my different account. Paste it here, and then with this one and paste it here. Then keep the region same, US East 1, and keep it in JSON. So I have entered 2 times. Our AWS is configured. Okay, run the command AWS S3 ls. So you are able to see all the S3 which I have created in the same account. So I have created only one, so you can check that I have created this bucket, PythonDevOps, and the account ID. Now what we have to do, we have to copy some data into our S3. Let's go into the console, go here, let's go into the root folder. So we have a test folder only and nothing here in the root directory. So let's copy a file. For that I'm creating a file into our VS Studio code. So let's create a file, test.txt, file created. Now add some content. Hello, this is going to upload in our S3 bucket. Save it on this. And now let's open your terminal and run the command. Okay, where is this file? It is into the our code folder. You can see it's the code folder. So let's go inside the code folder. So that in the cd download, inside the download we have a rn folder, then I think we have a code folder. Do ls, so we have a test.txt. So I'm copying this file into our S3. So for that we have to run the command AWS S3 cp and then give the file name. I'm copying the test.txt and then your S3 bucket URI. Will you get the S3 URI? So go here, click on properties, in the properties node, click on the permission. Okay, just leave it. I can't see the URI here. Okay, select this folder, then copy S3 URI and paste it here. So we are not copying into the test folder, so just hit enter. Okay, it says it is uploaded in the root folder and you can check there is no file, just refresh it. So I have uploaded one file, test.txt. Okay, now we have a concept called S3 copy and sync. So let's do one thing. We are going to copy whole folder in S3 in the root directory itself. For that, go one folder outside and we have a code folder. So I'm going to copy code folder into our AWS 3 sync, and then we have to give the folder name / and then give the space and paste it here. I've copied the S3 URI and keep it in the root directory. Just paste it here. So it says code folder is uploaded. All the file. This is the hidden file, I think. .ds store. The rest are the file are going to deploy here. Just refresh it. Okay, you can see. So now the concept come into the picture. What is the sync and what is the copy? So I have already mentioned all the command. Like you can use the copy command, copy your file. You can also copy into the different storage type. We will check into upcoming call. Also add the metadata as well. You can run this command. I'm not gonna give you the separate tutorial. Okay, I highly recommend you write yourself all the commands which I have mentioned in my MD files, like rm command there, move command there. You can use the recursive, like even the delete with the delete command. So try select command and explore object property as well. In the next video we will deep dive into how to deploy your web page into S3, and then we will also learn about the standard Glacier intelligent tier and how to save cost. There is a thing called S3 copy versus sync. So copy versus sync. I will paste this MD file URL into my video description. Meanwhile, so this is the AWS S3 CP. Best for single file, always copies, no change detection, simple and direct. It means if you updated some file, so it will not detect any change. It will just copy the file. Meanwhile, you can check the changes into the updated file as well in S3, but it do not change any it do not detect any changes into the file. Meanwhile, sync is best for folder. You can copy whole folder like I have shown you recently and into your S3 and can do the delete as well. So this is the about the S3 copy versus sync. So you can copy this S3, you can use this command like I have given the ls command. You can run the with recursive. Like let me show you how to use the ls, AWS S3 ls, and then paste it here. If you run this, you can check whole file. If you pass the hyphen recursive, it still show you the test. It shows the test folder. Test has these. To remove the test, then it shows the whole files outside the folder and inside the folder, all the files even inside the test folder. So this is the use of recursive. So it will do recursively like in the Python programming or any programming language. It do the recursively. You can also move the using the move command. You can copy from one file to another. Let's do the rm command. You can delete the file as well. Clear here, go to in rs3, you can check we have a user data.sh file. So I will delete this file. To select this file, copy s3 URI, run the one AWS S3 RM, and then paste your file with the S3 URI. Hit enter, and you can see this file is deleted. Just refresh it. So the file is deleted. That's how you can use the multiple CLI command in the S3. So you can do the multiple action. If this help you, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.